Hi, ma'am. Good morning.
Hi, good morning. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. What about you?
I'm good. So, this is your first session with English, Ari?
Yeah, ma'am. This is my first session with
All
health.
right. So, how are you feeling?
Feeling good and a little bit nervous
Okay, why do you feel nervous?
because, ma'am, this is my first session with first live session with any tutor. So that's why
Okay.
I'm a little bit nervous.
Okay, do not be nervous. We are just here to help you, and
Yeah.
I will try to make your first experience really nice. Okay. So, let's start with the session. So, let's start with an introduction. Tell me something about you.
Okay. So my name is Abhijit Yadav, and I'm from Baitul, Madhya Pradesh. If I talk about my studies, so after 12th, I have done Polytechnic Diploma in Mechanical branch. And apart from it, I have also done my graduation, Bachelor of Arts.
Mm-hmm.
After that, I have worked in automobile sector for more than 1 year, and currently I'm working in Lansoft as a recruiter.
As a recruiter,
Yeah, ma'am.
so you hire people.
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, Lansoft is a US recruitment company, and I work there as a US healthcare recruiter.
Nice. So,
Yeah.
do you also take interviews or you just
No, no. Like
no
to shortlist
third party?
resume and schedule interview.
Schedule interviews. Right. Got it.
Yeah.
All right, nice. So, why do you come here? What prompted you to take up English Gary sessions?
Actually, ma'am, as I told you earlier that I'm working in Lansoft as a recruiter. So in Lansoft, lots of time I have to talk with different people in USA.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah. So in USA, and lots of time, like it is very difficult for me to talk with USA people because their accent is totally different from us. Yeah.
Okay. No worries, Abhijit. So, I will also quickly introduce myself to you, then we will start the session. So, my name is Ashna, and I'm from Punjab. I've done my master's in journalism and mass communication. Since then, I'm working as a soft skill trainer. It's been about 7 years I'm into this industry. I've also worked as an assistant professor. We got disconnected. So I was saying I've worked as an assistant professor for about 2 years, but from last 1 year I'm associated with English Shari as one of their trainers, and simultaneously I also guide and mentor graduate and postgraduate students for their placements.
Okay.
So majorly
That's
that is
nice.
all about me. That is all about me. So we will try to look into your language right now, that what issues you have, what problems are you facing. I'll do few activities throughout the session to understand your level and to understand the issues, and towards the end of the session we'll discuss the feedback and how we can proceed further, and also whatever doubts you will have you can ask me towards the end of the session. Okay,
Okay, ma'am. Definitely.
perfect. So starting with the session today, so I want to ask you to give me an introduction, not about your technical job thing, to not about your what you do, where do you work, or what have you done, not about that, but about your personality. What kind of a person you are, what are few qualities you have, what are few things that you want to change about you, what are your hobbies, what you do in your free time. That's what I want to know. If you want, you can prepare for it for a minute and then start.
Ma'am, like I have to tell something about myself apart from my job, right?
Apart from it, about you, particularly about your personality.
Yeah. So I'm normal guy. I think I'm hardworking, quick learner. I do multitasking, and in my free time nowadays, I'm learning English because it's very important for me. And yeah, that's it, man.
Okay. And if I ask you about your qualities, tell me three qualities of yours.
I told you earlier that I am a hardworking, quick learner, multitasker. These are
Okay.
my three top qualities.
Three top qualities. And what is that one thing apart from English language or communication that you want to improve about you?
Apart from it, currently, I think I'm wasting lots of times on reels, like on Instagram reels, on YouTube reels. So should quit it, and I have to do something more productive. Like from last 6 to 7 months, I'm trying to do meditation, but I'm not able to do it for even a week. because I can do 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, but 4 day my consistency will break, and then I will left it.
I will leave it.
I will leave it. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So, Abhijit, now open the session notes. Below, you will see a PDF icon. Click on that.
Okay, 1 second, ma'am. I got it.
Yeah. On that, come to page number 2. There is a heading, Colorful World of Personalities.
Okay, ma'am.
I want you to read this small paragraph, inspiring story.
Okay, just give me a minute, ma'am. Can I close my video?
Okay, for this time you can.
Because I am not able to see my face, so
It's okay, no issues.
okay.
Yeah. Hello?
Yeah, ma'am, you are audible.
Hello?
Am I audible?
Hello?
Hello?
I can't hear you if your video is closed. So
Okay,
I think you need
got
to
it.
keep it on. Yeah.
Okay.
Like if you are friendly, you can say that I'm very friendly, I'm very outgoing. Outgoing is a person who likes to party and keep traveling. Then
No,
if
I
you
am not
think you are
outgoing.
organized, so then pick up words which suits you. 3 words.
How many I have to pick up?
3.
I think I am organized, responsible, and little bit creative.
Okay, nice. So if you'll come below, you will see there's a heading, let's play a quick game, pronunciation practice. Okay, now I would like to ask you a few questions, so you can answer me as much as you can.
Okay.
Try to have a good explanation. First is, tell me about a person who you really admire or who inspires you and why.
So I can take any person.
Yeah, anyone.
There is no one who is admiring me right now, like currently.
You admire, who you admire. I want to know any person that you admire, that you like.
I like.
any.
I can take celebrities' name.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I like Virat Kohli. I admire him because he's very hardworking. I have heard about his story as well. Like when he was a child, like around 21-year-old at that time, also his father died, and another day he go on the ground and made 100 runs. So that was very inspiring story of him. And
another day he went to the ground, because the whole incident is about past, so you will use past tense.
Yeah, another day he went to the ground and he make 100 there. And I like his personality as well, because in the beginning he was very like slow player. His strike rate was very low, but now you can see he's hitting sixes, fourth, and he has developed his average and strike rate as well. So I think that's why I admire Virat Kohli, because he's very hardworking and fit as well, because he has like work on his personality. Apart from his cricket, personality wise he's good, and I think his communication skill is also good, because lots of time I have watched his English
That
speeches.
also happened very later. I've
So
seen his
all
old
those
videos.
things he
He
has
also
worked.
learned English.
Yeah.
His English was very bad earlier.
Earlier, his personality was also not that much good, that much currently he has.
They need to focus on the game much till the time they become very good players. They focus on the game, then they start focusing on other aspects like their personality, their language, and all of that.
And there is one more story about Virat Kohli. Like in one of his speech, I have heard that he was saying that from last 1 or 2 years he is eating same food for every day.
Yeah. Same breakfast, same lunch, same dinner.
Same dinner for every day. He is not eating anything for taste.
Yes. I also, there was this interview of a breakfast with Virat Kohli. There he mentioned it, this interview, because I watch a lot of interviews. I also like almost every interview I see, because I love watching interviews, and that is one reason that helped me improve my English. I'm watching
Okay.
interviews from last 10 years, 8 years. Like
I
whenever
am
there's a
also
new,
watching interviews nowadays.
that helps you a lot with English language.
Yeah.
So I remember in one of his interviews with Breakfast with Table, that Breakfast with Celebrities, a lot
Yeah.
of cricketers came in that interview, and he mentioned that it's been 5 or 6 years he had Chole Bhature. So yeah, I
Okay. Yeah.
remember that interview. Nice. All right, Abhijit, let's talk about your feedback. Then whatever doubts you have, you can ask me.
Okay, ma'am.
So, after doing all these activities, what I've observed about your language is that first I'll talk about positives, then I'll talk about what are a few things that you need to work on. So,
Yeah.
positive number one is that your language is, in terms of understanding, I am like, if we talk about US accent, then I know it's okay. You may not be able to understand. But if I talk about Indian accent, or reading the English language or listening to the language, you can do it really well. You understand the language. And when it comes to making sentences, you can now do a decent job. Not very good, not very bad, but you are right now able to express yourself and you are managing it. But when
Yeah.
it comes to fluency, things that you
Yeah.
need to when it comes to weak things you need to work on, number one is fluency. Fluency is a bit weak, that when you are talking, you're too confused, you're thinking for the word, you're thinking for the right
Yes,
sentences
ma'am.
and right words and all of that. Second thing that you second thing that you need to work on is vocabulary. You need to have good vocabulary, good words. Right now you do not have right words with you. And third thing is grammar, and mostly with past tense.
Okay. In past tense, sometimes I do
Yeah,
mistake.
mostly the past tense.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just give me a second, Abhijit.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So that is all about your weakness. Do you have any doubts?
No, ma'am. Till now, I don't have any doubt, but I have one more doubt. Like one of my interview, one interviewer told me like he rejected from that interview, and after that he told me that you are doing some pronunciation mistake as well. Like there was
Yes.
one
I forgot to
sentence.
tell you. We did that activity of words. Pronunciation is also an issue. Yes.
Uh,
I forgot to tell you. Yes.
so can you give me some tips to improve that as
I
well?
can tell you two, three things. Number one is when you watch interviews, you're already watching now. So when you watch an
Yeah.
interview, write down the words which you think is new for you or difficult to pronounce. While watching
Okay.
it, write it down. After you done watching an interview, read these words loudly.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, listen to yourself. Then whenever you read a book or read anything, read it little loudly. Record yourself. And
Okay.
next is we will help you with the pronunciation. Slowly, with every session, you will see there will be a change with your pronunciation. We will help you in the sessions.
For me, I don't have any doubt. I just want to become fluent
Sure.
as soon
So
as possible
let
from
me
my
tell
side.
you about the
So
platform, how we work, and then again we'll discuss a bit.
yeah.
So this platform, Abhijit, is very very flexible platform. As you have booked your demo for yourself at your convenient time, your convenient day with your like whatever teacher you felt suitable for you. So similarly, you will have to schedule your sessions. You can book a session at any time of the day, on any day, with any of your favorite teachers. And we every session will get a session notes like we did today. And in future sessions, when you will take sessions, each session note will be dedicated to your requirements, what you need to work on. Every activity, everything will be there according to your requirements. You do not have to go through any Google or anything for information, for notes. We will provide you everything here. We'll work on every aspect of yours: pronunciation, sentence structure, vocabulary, everything in the sessions. Each session is of 25 minutes with one teacher and one learner, so that complete attention is on you. And every session is recorded, so that whenever there's a gap, whenever you want to revise, you can always come back and revise the session. And each session ends with a very detailed feedback, so that you know where are you heading to, what you all have improved, what you should improve now, everything. Okay, any other doubt? Is it
No,
clear?
ma'am. Right now, I don't have any other doubt.
How was the session for you?
It was good. Like in the starting, I was very nervous.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it happened.
Okay. So what you plan to do, like how many sessions you plan to do in a week?
In a week, like it's depend on my job as well because I'm
Mm.
currently working. So
Mm-hmm.
I can schedule that session according to me, na.
Yeah, according to you, completely according to you. Like you can have about, see, if you ask my recommendation, you should have about 3 to 4 sessions in a week.
3 to 4 with you. Okay.
Not with me, like you can pick up any tutor, but 3 to 4 in a week is a
No,
good
I
start.
was thinking to purchase that subscription plan. So in that, we will select the tutor name or
You
it will
will
automatic.
select. You will. No,
Okay,
nothing will be automatic. Teacher, time, and day. You will select. Do have a minute left. If you still have any doubt, you can quickly ask me. Otherwise, we will conclude the session. If anything is there, yes, you will
can
get
I
this
get this
recording as well.
recording as well?
When you will see
Somewhere.
where from the tab where you have joined the session, you will see view
Okay,
recording
I have
after the
that.
session is completed. You can access the
Okay.
recording there from there. All right, Abhijit,
Okay.
have a good day. Thank you so much for joining in. Looking
Have a
forward
good day,
to
you too, man.
be a part of English Shari. And thank you. Have a good day. Bye. Take care. Bye
Have a
bye.
good day, man. Bye.